2 big deep breaths for me. Okay, first graders, we are going to work on listening for syllables, okay? Now, a syllable is a part of a word that has one vowel sound. How many vowel sounds are in a syllable? One vowel sound. So listen to my word. Are you ready? Say mass. What's this one?
Mass.
Mass. Good. Now say cot. What's this one?
Cot.
Cot. And if I blend these together, I get
Mascot.
What is our school mascot? Trenton, what is our school mascot?
An eagle.
Oh, it's an eagle. Can you flap your wings like an eagle? It's an eagle. That's right. And what was this word?
Mascot.
Good job. Pan. Can you say pan?
Pan.
Now say duh.
Duh.
When we blend it together, we get
Panda.
panda. Let's try and challenge this a little bit. We're doing a really good job at blending these syllables. Let's see if we can now isolate or get them by themselves or even take them away. We're working with 2-syllable words. How many syllables? 2. So let's go back to my word popcorn. What's the word?
Popcorn.
Popcorn has 2 syllables. Pop, corn, right? What's this one?
Pop.
What's this one?
Corn.
Corn, good job. Now what happens if I take away corn? What's left?
Pop.
Pop, that's right. And if I take away pop,
Corn.
that's right. Let's try another one. Are you ready? Let's do rabbit. Can you say rabbit?
Rabbit.
Good. Rab. It has 2 syllables. What's the first syllable?
Rab.
Rab. Good job. And the second syllable?
It.
It. Now what happens if I take away rab? What's left?
It.
It. Good job. Let's do winter. Can you say winter?
Winter.
All right, tell me the syllables. Are you ready?
Winter.
Good job. If I take away ter, what's left?
Wind.
All right, you guys have done such a good job with your syllables today. Congratulations.
For more information, please visit readinguniverse.org. Special thanks to Eisenhower Elementary School, Enid Public Schools, and the Oklahoma State Department of Education. Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and 2 anonymous donors. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
This is Reading Universe.